Hey guys, this is Nick from Dirt King Fabrication. This week we're going to be working on a 2014 Chevy Silverado for Colby at Shine Supply. This truck currently has our bolt-on long travel kit with a King 2.5 long travel spec coilover, our bed cage, Deaver U182s, 3.0 bypasses in the rear, and we're going to be upgrading to our long travel race kit in the front. The new kit's going to be running a 2.5 race spec coilover, 3.0 race spec bypass, and we're also going to run 2.0 King bump stops. Let's get into it. So here we have our bolt-on long travel kit. This kit is 12 inches of travel. It does have a pocketed lower control arm, so it allows us to run a full 8-inch stroke coilover. This kit does have the option to run a bypass shock on there with our bypass hoop kit. But Colby decided to upgrade to our long travel race kit. The new race kit's going to be a boxed upper, boxed lower, fabricated race spindle, and then it's going to use a 2.5 by 10 coilover and a 3.0 by 10 bypass. We're wrapped up on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. This truck now features our long travel race kit, 2.5 coilovers, 3.0 bypass, 2.0 bump stops. For more information on this kit, check out dirtkingfabrication.com or Instagram at Dirt King.